इस जहान में, जहान मीन्स जहांदर सा, एंड वो कौन है, किसको मैं बहादुर कहूंगा इस जहान में? फाड़ू, एंड हु इज फाड़ू? मोहम्मद एंड अहमद। मोहम्मद एंड बहादुर है इस जहान में, मोहम्मद एंड अहमद। बहादुर है इस जहान में हु? मोहम्मद एंड अहमद। दैट इज क्लियर। हमने बोला बहादुर इस जहान में फाड़ू, मोहम्मद एंड अहमद। सो बहादुर फॉर बहादुर शाह। यस टेल मी, नाम आपके टंग पे आ जाना चाहिए। बहादुर में सही से दैट बहादुर शाह, बहादुर इस जहान में, बहादुर जहान में। यस, जहांदर शाह। आई सेड दैट बहादुर शाह जहांदर शाह, बहादुर शाह जहांदर शाह। बहादुर इस जहान में, इसे के लिए है बहादुर इस जहान में, जहांदर शाह। ठीक है, आप लोगों को चांस दे रहा हूं, थोड़ा सा एलाबरेट करके पढ़ा रहा हूं। ठीक है ना, यदि कल मैं पढ़ाता तो मैं इतना नहीं पढ़ाता, मैं शायद ये बताता भी नहीं। मैं बहादुर है इस जहान में, आई सेड दैट कौन? फाड़ू, मोहम्मद एंड अहमद। तो आई सेड दैट बहादुर शाह जहांदर शाह, बहादुर शाह जहांदर शाह, एंड देयर आफ्टर फाड़ू, मोहम्मद एंड अहमद। फरुखशियार, मोहम्मद शाह, अहमद शाह। फरुखशियार, मोहम्मद शाह, अहमद शाह। एबल टू लुक एट बहादुर है इस जहान में, बहादुर शाह जहांदर शाह, बहादुर शाह जहांदर शाह लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है, बहादुर शाह जहांदर शाह। फाड़ू, मोहम्मद एंड अहमद, फाड़ू, मोहम्मद एंड अहमद। सो फरुखशियार, मोहम्मद शाह, अहमद शाह। याद होगा? आई सेड दैट you have to say some number with me. I said that 7, 12, 13, 19, 48. These numbers 7, 12, 13, 98. I said that 7, 12, 13, 19. So in the 20s, 3 numbers are there. In the 20s, how many numbers are there? 7, 12, 13, 19. What I said that? 7, 12, 13, 19. Which are the 3 numbers I said that? 7, 12, 13, 19. 12, 13, 19. 7 तो आपको पता ही है, 17 and 7. 7, then 12, 13, 19. This is clear? And after that, 48, and there is a difference of 6. 48, 54, 60. Which are the number I said that? 48, 54, 60. You can easily remember the difference of 6. 48, 54, 60. 48, 54, 60. Understood? So बहादुर इस जहान में कौन? बहादुर इस जहान में who? फाड़ू, मोहम्मद एंड अहमद. Yes? And then I said that. हमने बोला अल्लाह. क्या हमने बोला? क्या हमने बोला? अल्लाह. अल्लाह ही तो बनाएगा. Who will make it? Allah. So I said that 1707. I said that 1707 to 12. Who is this? Bahadur Shah first, and then Jahandar Shah. Yes, tell me. 1712 to 13, and he was puppet. He was what I said that? Puppet. In the hand of Sayyid brothers. In the hand of those who are considered as a kingmaker. Understood? Jahandar Shah. He was what is the name? He was made by killing Bahadur Shah. And who has killed? With the help of conspiracy. And understood? With the help of conspiracy. And then Farrukhshiyar also made by killing Jahandar Shah with the help of Sayyid brothers. And then Farrukhshiyar also become what? Puppet. And who is the kingmaker? Sayyid brothers. Understood? Puppet. And then there is a coming of Muhammad Shah, and when he become, then he said that I will not be a puppet. I will not be a puppet. So the Muhammad Shah Rangila, along with Chin, Clinch, Khan. And then Nizam, he who has made the Nizams. So Muhammad Shah and Chinchlinch Khan killed Sayyid brothers. And यहाँ से क्या हो गया? King maker role has been finished. Whose role has been finished? Yes, tell me. Sayyid brother Chinchlinch Khan. Understood? Again I said that. Bahadur is Jahan mein who? Fadu, Muhammad and Ahmad. And then I said that Bahadur Shah, Jahandar Shah, Farooq Shah, Muhammad Shah and Ahmad Shah. Understood it? And then I said that, and Miss Alamgir said, Muhammad Shah, and then I said that Jahandar Shah and Farooq Shah, what they did? They are the puppet. In the hand of whom? And thereafter coming of Farooq Shah. After the coming of killer Farooq Shah. And then I said the last puppet and Muhammad Shah nahi, lekin Farooq Shah has given one gift to Britishers, dastak. जिसके वजह से Britishers are able to put their, yes, dastak farman. Farooq Shah has given the Britishers, what they have given? Yes, tell me. Dastak. And in this dastak it has been mentioned that the East India Company can do free trade in Bengal. Yes, but the East India Company was not only doing free trade, their officials, private officials were also doing. This is the cause of what? Everything coming the problem, and then modern India has been get changed. So this is the major farman which has been given by Mr. Who? Fadu Banda. Fadu to raha nahi hai. So I said that, and thereafter Muhammad Shah Rangila, and in his period in 1739, Battle of Karnal. Battle of, what has been happened? Battle of Karnal by Nadir Shah in 1739. In 1739, what happened? Famous Battle of Karnal, Nadir Shah. And then Nadir Shah looted, yes, which is the two things? Kohinoor diamond and peacock throne. Clear? And dono leke chala gaya. Understood? I said that, is it clear? And then there is a coming of, I said that important ruler Shah Alam II. Understood? And if I talk about Alamgir's second period and Shah Alam. Alamgir's second period में 1757 Battle of Plassey. But इसका कोई रोल नहीं है, वहाँ पे उसका कोई रोल नहीं है. It is in between the Nawab of Bengal and then British, I said that, British Robert Clive, Lord Clive. Shah Alam II. यहाँ पर इसका रोल है. After that in 64 there is a Sujaud-Dawla, Mir Qasim and the Shah Alam II get together. But Shah Alam, he was the Mughal, but वो तो बच्चा था. He was not like he can decide and do something. लेकिन उसके आगे पीछे whatever the persons are there, I said that Shah Alam II. And I said that 1764 में क्या हुआ? Battle of, and the same time treaty of, next year treaty of Allahabad. And इसके बाद the real British power came into existence. ये सारा चीज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे in the modern India. Therefore it is important for the modern India. I said that the real power of, I said that, who is the real power? Yes, tell me. British East India Company become, and Akbar Shah, and then he did not do too much, but one famous thing is there. I said that Raja Ram Roy has got Raja title from Akbar Shah II. And then I said that Raja title and Bahadur Shah II, you are knowing that. Yes? तो अभी तक हम लोग कहां तक याद किए? Yes, tell me. We remembered up to what? Yes. बहादुर है इस जहान में फाड़ू मोहम्मद and Ahmad. Allah. Yes. We'll say that yes, Allah is doing this. And then I said that the numbers I say 7, 12, 13, 19. 7, 12, 13, 19, 48, 44, 60. And then I said that 1707 to 12. And जहांदर साहब only एक साल के लिए रहे. जहांदर साहब जहान तो है लेकिन है कुछ नहीं. And then I said that 1 year, and then there is a coming of 1713 to, and the longest period के लिए कौन रहा? Who lived? रंगीला, जो कि कुछ नहीं था फिर भी. I said that 1719 to 48. Muhammad साहब रंगीला. And then there is a coming of, I said that 1748 to 54. Ahmad Shah, and 17, just tell me, 54 to 60. क्या कौन रहे? Yes, tell me. आलमगीर second. Understood? यहां तक तो याद हो गया? Yes or not? And यदि अकबर के आगे if I'll give a title of Shah, is it correct or wrong? अच्छी चीज है. I am giving him more title. He is the greatest. What is one of the ruler, best tolerant person. I said that we should salute him for his achievement and what he has given to this world. I said that अकबर शाह, शाह, हमने क्या बोला? शाह अकबर क्या है? बहादुर है. What I said that शाह अकबर, I said that शाह अकबर what he is? बहादुर है. तो शाह आलम सेकंड, शाह अकबर what he is? बहादुर है. तो शाह आलम सेकंड एंड अकबर शाह सेकंड. एंड सारे सेकंड है. आलमगीर के बाद ऑल आर व्हाट इज ना सेकंड. एंड देन बहादुर शाह सेकंड. अंडरस्टूड? अब इसके बाद द वर्ड आई हैव सेड दैट 6. व्हाट इज द लास्ट नंबर? 66 इज देयर. इसका मतलब 6 इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. यू कैन रिमेंबर लाइक आई सेड दैट. आई सेड 6, 36, 6, 36, 56. क्या हमने बोला? वैसे तो 57 है. हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? 6, 36, 56. What I said that 6, 36. So हमने क्या बोला? 17. I said that 1760 to 1806. I said that 6, 36. लेकिन आपको क्या याद रखना है? 56 की जगह and 36 की जगह 37. That is clear? I said that 6, 36, 56. And then 1806 to 1837 and 1837 to 1857. बहादुर हैं. What I said that? इस जहान में yes, रट जाना चाहिए. I said that it should be completely wrote in your mind. I said that बहादुर है इस जहान में फाड़ू मोहम्मद एंड अहमद. अल्लाह. Thereafter I said शाह अकबर बहादुर है. शाह अकबर, शाह आलम सेकंड, अकबर शाह सेकंड, बहादुर शाह सेकंड. सो इजी. सो मैं केवल बोलूंगा आई सेड दैट बहादुर शाह 1707 टू 1712 दिखना चाहिए. जस्ट 1712 टू 1713 जहांदर शाह. जहान है लेकिन पीरियड नहीं है. जहांदार शाह. एंड देन फरुखशियार 1713 टू 1719 एंड 1719 टू, जिसके पास नहीं होना चाहिए उसके बाद बहुत है, 1719 to 48. And not important one which is I said that Ahmad Shah. After that it is Muhammad and Ahmad Shah 1748 to 54. And then I said that 54 to 60, Shah Alamgir second. And 1760 to 1806. Who is there? Shah Alam second. That is the Battle of Buxar and all. And thereafter we have been able to see 1806 to 1837. Who is there? Akbar Shah second. And thereafter I said that Akbar second nahi, Akbar Shah second. And then I said that Bahadur Shah second. Yes, tell me 1719 to 1748. 1713 to 1719. Farooq Shia. Yes, tell me 1713 to 1719. 707 to 1712. 754 to 60. Alamgir second. And then 1760 to 1806. Shah Alam second. I said that Shah Alam and 1764. Who is there? Just correlate in your mind. Who is there? Shah Alam second. Understood? Thereafter I said that 1806 to 1837. Akbar Shah second. Yes, tell me 1712 to 1713. Jahandar Shah. Very small period. Understood? हमने दोबारा मैंने क्या कहा? What I said that 1707 to 1712 Bahadur Shah. 1712 to 1713 Jahandar Shah. 1713 to 1719 Farooq Shah. 1719 to 1748 Muhammad Shah Rangila. And 1748 to 54 Ahmad Shah. And then 1754 to 1760 Alamgir second. And 1760 to next century 1806 Shah Alam second. And thereafter Akbar Shah and Bahadur Shah 1806 to 1837 Akbar Shah. And 1837 to 1857 Bahadur Shah second. Understood easily? What we have seen in the Mughals, rising Mughals and then declining Mughals, rising Mughals, Babur. 1526 to 1530 only 4 years. And then 1530 to 1555 Humayun, Bahu, Babur, Humayun, Bahu, Babur, Humayun. Automatically next